My boat is looking nice. Wonder if the paint is dried. Yeah, it seems pretty dry. Dried right through, I think. And she's almost ready. I gotta touch up a little bit more on it and then probably be able to get it in the water this weekend. This is the moment of truth. My boat is done and today I'm gonna take it down. Or hopefully I can get it out of my room. So yeah, we'll go find a friend and hopefully you can help me get this massive boat out of my apartment. Getting this boat out of the apartment. I think it's, yeah. It's a bit awkward. Kind of stuck in the stairwell. I think this is the limit of the size I can build in my apartment. Any bigger, it would not be able to go down. Amazing. Okay, so we did manage to bring it out from the top floor, all the way up there, the very top. And yeah, next step is just to carry it to the river, which isn't too far away. Maiden. What a beautiful day though for a boat. And yeah, gonna have a little paint over just the little scratches it got. Give it a little paint. The paint is like a real sticky tar stuff, so it should be fine painting it and then putting it in the water. Like the water won't wash it off. So yeah. Watch out for the end. Yeah, just there. Oh. Yeah, no problem. Look at that. No. Oh, the fresh paint. We've got a little bit on there, but yeah, it floats. Doesn't look like any leaks. Floats very high. So there's a few leaks here. We have a leak between these boards. One of these cracks here, especially when the weight goes on it, the cracks widen or something, and then the water comes in. Have another leak somewhere up here, up through on the edge there somewhere. Seems pretty fine when I sit in the very middle, but yeah, what I think I might do is just get some silicone and cover the cracks with it. Trying to fix these cracks. I found out that this paint is not very good, so the water got into it and it's kind of, my whole boat's kind of falling apart. So what I end up doing is putting some silicone along these cracks and just gonna fill it up throughout, because it's at least silicone it can take like the pressure and stuff, so it won't actually crack and flake. Look at that. That's not looking very good. So yeah, I'm just gonna probably silicone the whole lot. I'm kind of rushing everything because just like I just want to just get it floating and working properly. So probably shouldn't just throw it in the water, but I'm just gonna do it. I got tape arriving tomorrow. What I probably should have done is just like scraped all that paint off. That paint is shit, so I should have just like scraped it all off and kind of redo it. But I'm just gonna do this and see how that turns out. Let's give it a go. Unfortunately, I'm by myself today, so. Oh fuck, not good, not good. It's full of water. I need the water out. I got silicone on my hands. That was not the way to do that. It from this side. My ass is so fucking wet. There's still a leak somewhere. I can't find it where. So it's a very, very small leak. So the water's slowly coming in, but it's like really slow. So it's good enough, I think, to row around in. I'm gonna have a little row around in this little canal here. I'm gonna. Hopefully, my boat doesn't completely sink, and I have to abandon ship. But yeah, it's okay. There's a lot of work to be done to fix everything. Yeah, my paper mache idea was like really shit. Like, look at that. That was the worst idea. Who would have thought of paper macheing a boat? So yeah, I'm gonna let's just take this for a spin. Let's go. Setting sail to sea. Let's go. Got my dustpan as a paddle. Slowly making it along. Oh man, this is the life. I'm liking this. Just chilling with a beer. Installed a seat. Keep my ass off the ground, so at least I'm a bit dry. Yeah, this is good. It's not too bad. I'm enjoying this. Fucking hot though. I thought the sun went away, but then like that's why I thought it's the evening, so sun's gone behind the clouds. Start my boat, but then the sun came out again, so it's a bit warm. There's a lot of farm area here. It's in the middle of the city, like, well, I'm not in the city center, on the outskirts, but there's a lot of farm area. Like, you wouldn't really notice it from the street because it's like all inside. But yeah, like all by the rivers and stuff. like just over there, like just behind me, this way. Like all that has no like contact with the road. Like direct contact, so you don't actually see it. It's like all these hidden little farmlands. It's pretty cool. It looks so much different from the water. I feel like I'm in the countryside. If I just like park on my boat and go out onto the road, I'm like in the city. I'm liking it here. It's nice and cool out of the sun, just under the bridge. Bridge is nice. So, but they seem to park their boats under the bridges. I guess so, because like so it doesn't fill up with water when it rains. So yeah, it's a whole bunch of boats here. Like they're all concrete boats here. So I'm a little scared of like heading into them, because they would just crush my soft pine boat. Oh fuck, oh fuck, waves are coming. Oh no, oh no. I think I might be able to like park over there, like right over there by those rocks. I can hop on those rocks and tie up to the top. Back up there. Oh, ah. Looks like we're good. And I'll just tie my boat up here. The water's not that bad inside it. You can see. It's not bad. I think that water comes from my paddle. Like every time I put my paddle down in the boat. So I don't think there's actually any leak. Or if there is, it's a very tiny leak. So yeah, it's not too bad. Let's go shopping. Let's go get something. Just bought some soy sauce and stuff, like a bag full of things. I can't remember where I parked it. Oh, this shit is so heavy. I hope it doesn't sink my boat. Just out the end. Let's have a look. Any sign? Should be able to see it from over this edge. Still there? Yep. Aha, still over there. What a nice view. Man, this is nice. I just fucking crashed into the bush and did a 180. Now I gotta turn around somehow. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is so close. I'm getting close to the wall. Go away. That was close. Oh no. Oh man, it's so hard to control the direction. Oh. Going under the bridge. Pretty much home. Just over there. Just dock up, lift my boat out, and we'll be good. Oh no, I'm spinning in the wrong direction now. Oh, not a bad run. Amazing.